Mr. Stevens, can you hear me, sir? Mr. Stevens, can you hear me? Okay, Mr. Stevens, you're locked up. Mr. Stevens, you need to unmute. I can't hear you.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
I'm sorry about all the noise. Hold on, I'll go to my car. One of the pipes just busted over here.
Better there than here.
Yes, sir.
Where are you?
I'm over in right here in Live Oak in the Sunrise Canyon place. One of the sprinklers had busted. Sorry about that, sir.
That's all right. Okay, there we go. Okay, Mr. Stevens, as you can see, I'm working from home, and our court administrator is going to pull your file and tell me what we have to work with. So
Yes, sir.
if you can sit tight for about 5 seconds, she'll be able to pull it up and tell me what we're dealing with.
Okay, we've got two cases. We have a show cause on a PDP. He needs to make his sworn statement. And then we had a reset on a no driver's license. Doesn't. Yeah, so he's got a no driver's license that they did that he missed the first court date, and then he's got a show cause on a PDP case.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Stevens, raise your right hand for me. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Stevens, you were placed on deferred disposition on the possession of drug paraphernalia case. Since that date that you were placed on deferred, have you been cited for any other offenses involving either drugs or alcohol?
Yeah, I did. I had a DWI.
Oh.
But I had just gotten that case done and off. I'm working. I'm on probation right now for Cibolo, Guadalupe County. I'm on a 4 years deferred felony probation, and they got me working towards all that stuff and getting that stuff. Tried to get it evaluated and all that.
So is a DWI third?
It's a misdemeanor.
Okay. Well, you said felony probation. That's the reason I was asking.
Well, I had a case a while back. They just played it. I'm on 1 year for the DWI, and so they made it 1 year and the 4 year, but they're just doing it at the same time, running it concurrent.
Okay, what's the 4 year for?
It was for a case a while back when I was younger, when I was like 18. It was for invading arrest without a license. Okay. Or invading arrest with a vehicle. My fault.
With a vehicle, yeah. Okay, so they're running those two together. When did you pick up the DWI? After you were placed on.
It was right after, like literally the day after. Me and my girl got into an argument, and she told me to leave, and I had left, and I just wasn't thinking straight, or we both weren't, and I was just drunk, and so I was driving home, and just didn't go well. But it was literally like a week or the day after. It was between that, after the court hearing or whatever.
Okay,
that
and on
day.
your, do you have a driver's license yet?
No, but I've been working towards getting one. I had missed my driving license meeting on, it was in December like 18th or so. I was waiting. I had completely forgot about it because like it was 3 months after I had set up one of those things online because due to the coronavirus, we had to set up a date to go do the driver license test where you drive with the person, and I had missed that. But on this for this felony and DWI, the conditions are that I have to work and get a license on it.
Yeah, well, is that your car you're sitting in?
No, it's my girlfriend. She's inside right now.
Okay. All right. Well, Mr. Stevens, the fine and court cost on the no driver's license is $250. Are you able to pay that today?
No, sir. Is there any way I can make up a payment plan?
Yeah, the most time I can give you is 30 days to pay that. If you can't pay it in full in 30 days, you need to pay at least 100 of it. And then they can
Okay.
set you up on a payment plan for the balance.
Yes, sir. So 130 days. And you said it was $250, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then on the PDP, since you picked up that DWI, that's going to kind of revoke your deferral on that one, but you're not going to owe any more money.
All right.
So main thing you need to take care of is that the no driver's license case. Do we have your email address, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Stephen? We do?
I'm pretty sure, but I can give it to you, sir.
Well, don't give it to me now because we're broadcasting all over the world on YouTube. So I don't think you really want your email address broadcast to people in Lebanon or
Yeah.
Afghanistan. So
Yes, sir.
I do
what you
show an
need to
email on
do-
file.
what?
I do show an email address on file.
Okay, good. So we will email you the information on the driver's license, the date that the payment needs to be made. If you can't make it in full in 30 days, I understand, but we have to add $15 to it. The state says we need to do that. So if you can pay it in full in 30 days, great. If not, at least pay 100 of it. Then we'll set you up on a payment plan for the balance.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right.
All right. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good luck to you, Mr. Stevens.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay. You can log off now.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, that's going to connect this time. Okay, Ms. Goodwin, can you hear me? Ms. Goodwin, can you hear me? Ms. Goodwin, you need to unmute, Ms. Goodwin. I can see your picture, but I can't hear anything. Is that the only one we have, Vicky?
No, sir, we have one more in the waiting room.
Let's take him or her. Goodwin can join us when she can or wants to. Okay, Mr. Stricker, can you hear me, sir? Stricker, I can't hear you. You're muted.
Okay, is that good now?
Yes, sir. That's much better.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Stricker, I'm working from home as it looks like you are.
Yes, sir.
So my court administrator's at the office. She's going to look up your information.
Mhm.
So just hang tight for about 10 seconds. She can tell me what we're dealing with.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have a charge of changed lane when unsafe. That's the only thing he has with us.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Stricker, do you understand what the charge is?
Yes, sir.
Okay, would you raise your right hand for me, please? Solemnly swear to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Thank you.
Mhm.
Okay, Mr. Stricker, to that offense that's alleged, there are 3 pleas you can enter: guilty, not guilty, and no contest. Do you understand what those 3 pleas mean?
Yes, sir.
And to the offense of changing lanes when unsafe, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I guess guilty. I mean, I did it. An accident. It was an accident, but
Okay. Vicky, what is the fine on that case?
200 even.
Okay, so here's the deal, Mr. Stricker.
Mhm.
You need to just pay the fine, which is $200, as you just heard, and that'll be the end of it. Or if you want to take defensive driving and try to keep it off of your record, you may do that. The cost, bottom line cost is going to be ultimately the same.
Mhm.
But you do have the chance to keep it off your record if you want to do that.
And as far as deferred deposition, am I able to do that?
Deferred's going to be more expensive. How old are you, Mr. Stricker?
39?
Okay. Deferred's going to be at $250. You're old enough so where you don't have to take a defensive driving class as a condition. So it's up to you. I mean, you actually have three choices.
Okay, and the defensive driving, that I can be done online, is that correct?
Yes, sir. You can do everything online.
So I would still pay the 200 to you and then whatever the defensive driving costs?
No, sir. You'd pay $144 to us.
Uh-huh.
You would pay $25 or $30 for the class
Uh-huh.
and $12 for the driving history, which you have to obtain from the Department of Public Safety. So like I said, all things totaled up, it ends up being even less than the 200. You can do the defensive driving class and the obtain your driving history online. So you can sit right there in that chair you're sitting in right now and get everything done.
Yes, sir. And the deferred deposition, if I successfully complete that, it doesn't go on my record as well. Is that correct?
Correct. That's 120 days.
120 days. Okay, yeah, I would like to go that option if I'm able to.
The deferred.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to need, are you able to pay the $250 today, sir?
Yes, sir.
Actually going to have you pay it tomorrow,
Okay.
but we do need a copy of your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Yes, sir.
You can email those to the court. Do you have the email address? It's on that piece of paper we sent you. Municipal, about 2/3 of the way down.
Municipal underscore. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It'll be 120-day deferral. Get the fees paid. I'm going to give you till Friday because not sure how operable the court's going to be tomorrow
Yes, sir.
because the courts in Bear County are shut down again tomorrow.
Yes, sir. And do I just call to pay that on the phone or?
Yes, sir. You need to call to pay it. Don't just go on the city website and pay it.
Right,
Do
right.
that. If you do that, it'll go on your record.
Okay.
but we do need for you to email us your driver's license and proof of insurance today.
Yes, sir. I can do that.
And then pay the $250 by Friday.
Yes, sir.
I say Thursday or Friday?
You gave me till Friday, sir.
Friday, okay. All right, then that's what we're gonna do. And the only condition of your deferral, Ms. Stricker, is no tickets anywhere, not just in Live Oak.
Yes, sir.
Wherever you may find yourself traveling, just be careful.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, do you have any questions?
No, Judge, that's it.
Okay, if you do have any questions, just call the clerk and let us know. By the way, good hat you've got on there, buddy.
I got the shirt too.
I saw the shirt too. That's what I
Yes,
knew.
sir.
That's when I knew you were the real deal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you take care, Ms. Stricker.
You have a good day.
Stay
Thank you.
warm.
Yes, sir. You too.
Okay, Mr. Moritz. Mr. Moritz, are you back
Yes,
with us?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. We're going to go ahead and reset. She wanted to look at the report some and she says that the audio and video was terrible as far as us talking also. So the prosecutor and I both agree to a reset at this time, Judge.
Okay, what is Ms. Wall charged with?
She's charged with leaving a child or children in her vehicle for more
Okay.
than 5 minutes. She is a registered nurse and there's some issues there about how long the kids were there.
Okay,
So
so
what happened?
how long of a reset did y'all agree to?
She said it probably gonna be 3 or 4 weeks before we get to this again.
Okay, we'll reset you till March the 16th.
Would it be in the afternoon also, Judge?
It can be really, I said it will be in the afternoon if you want to visit with Ms. Trevino again.
March 16th. That's wide open, Judge. That'd be a great day.
Good, I hope it's not snowing.
Yeah. You
Okay,
said
maybe
you heard the Bear County is closed tomorrow too?
I got an email just a few minutes ago from the Bar Association, says Bear County shut down again tomorrow.
Wow, because I got jail court tomorrow. Okay.
But they did say a magistrate's going to be on duty full time, so I don't know if that would impact your jail duty responsibilities or not.
Okay. So 1:30, March 16th.
Yes, sir. And Mr. Ms. Moritz, do you have a notice of appearance on file with us?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Okay, good. We will send you the reset so that you've got that in your file, and then you and Mr. Trevino can visit with your client and see where we go from there.
All right, that will work.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Moritz. Be
All
safe,
right, mate.
stay warm.
Yes, sir. Have a great day.
You do the same, sir. Thank you.
You want me to bring Miss Goodwin in? One more time?
Hold on, let me make some notes here. Hey, before you send her in, go, well, let me try to do it here. I'm going to try to look up her community service provider, which she said was, what was it? Well, no, I can't find her. My notes on her. Beat beat AIDS. Let me try to look that up real quick. Beat AIDS Coalition in San Antonio. So it's a real group. We just can't.
What phone number do you show?
Uh, two one zero 212-2266.
Yep, that's the number the ladies have been calling.
Well, nobody's going to be there today anyway. So,
Yeah, that's the lady I thought.
okay. Well, did she turn in 49 hours?
Yes, sir.
Two 212-2266, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, this is a legit number. It's just we can't.
Yeah, and they've got comments that they left messages for them to contact us and nobody has.
Okay. Okay. Well, when we talk to Miss Goodwin, if we talk to Miss Goodwin, excuse me, we'll get to tell her what we need for them to contact us, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Miss Goodwin, can you hear me? Miss Goodwin, can you hear me? Sorry, I had to blow my nose. Didn't want to do that on the video. Okay, Miss Goodwin, can you hear me? Miss Goodwin? Do we have anybody else waiting, Vicki?
No, sir. I'm putting somebody new in there, sir.
Okay, who's on the phone, please? Hello, who's on the phone? Ending in 855?
Okay, they disappeared.
Okay.
So the only one we have sitting out there still is Miss Goodwin.
I don't really think she wants to talk to us.
I'm gonna put her there one more time.
Well, I mean, we're going to be here for a while. At least till 4:30, I guess. Sorry, Sally. Can't call it that quick. Hello, Miss Goodwin. Hello, Miss Goodwin.
I'm gonna move her out. Somebody else just logged in. We'll try it. Oh, that's the same
Okay.
guy that was here. Let's try that one.
Who is?
It's at 855 that we just tried to put in. Oh, Miss Goodwin's gone again.
This is an 855 number, but it's not showing up anywhere.
Yeah, I don't know who it is. And like I said, he just logged in.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, hi, this is Andre McFadden.
I'm sorry, I didn't get your name, sir.
Andre McFadden,
McBed.
McFadden, MC
Oh,
FADB.
McFadden, got it.
Yep.
Okay, Ms. McFadden, I'm the judge here, and so I'm working from home, so our court administrator who is at the office needs to pull your file so we know what we're dealing with. So if you can hang on for about 10 seconds, she can find your records and we'll know what we need to talk about.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have no insurance, no motorcycle endorsement, and operated an unregistered motorcycle. I'm sorry, not motorcycle, motor vehicle.
So no motors, okay. No insurance, no motor vehicle. Well,
No
it would be
motorcycle endorsement, and then operated unregistered motor vehicle.
All right, Mr. McFadden, did you hear the charges which are alleged?
Yes, sir.
So we got no insurance, no motorcycle endorsement, and operating an unregistered motor vehicle. Do you understand what the charges are which have been filed?
Yes, sir.
To each of those cases, Mr. McFadden, there are 3 pleas you can enter: guilty, not guilty, and no contest. Do you understand what those 3 pleas mean?
Yes, sir.
Then to the offense of no insurance, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Not guilty.
Okay. Did you have insurance on the day you were stopped?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you email that to the court, we'll take a look at it. On the no motorcycle endorsement, how do you plead on that case?
I believe not guilty, sir. I had a motorcycle endorsement, and I don't know if it expired or whatnot.
Obviously, it needs to be in effect, because driving with a expired endorsement is like driving with no an expired driver's license. So it needed to be in effect on the day you were stopped. But you can send us the copy of your endorsement and we'll take a look at it. And then on the operating an unregistered motor vehicle, meaning that your bike wasn't registered properly with the state, how do you plead on that case?
Not guilty.
Okay. Vicky, when was this citation issued, Mr. McFadden? Ms. Steenbeck, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, I was on the phone with someone.
When was Mr. McFadden cited?
January 17th of 2021.
Okay, well, Mr. McFadden, what you need to do is if you will look on the piece of paper which you received from the court with the Zoom information, there's an email address down about 2/3 of the way on the page. Starts municipal_court. Do you see that, sir?
Yes, sir.
What you need to do is email us your insurance, your motorcycle endorsement, And if you're saying it was registered, we need the registration also. And we'll take a look at those things. If there are any issues with any of them, we will set you for another Zoom hearing to deal with them on a not guilty verdict. If any of these need to go to trial, do you want to have a trial with a judge or a jury?
Judge is fine, sir.
Okay, if there are issues with any of the three, we will send you a pretrial order to handle pretrial matters prior to the case being placed on the trial docket. But if you can email us those 3 documents that you have, we'll take a look at them, and if they satisfy what we need, then we can dismiss the cases. If not, then we'll set you for a pretrial setting. And once you send us those documents, we'll have your email address, and we can send you the pretrial order and the various complaints by email.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you go ahead and send those to us today, and we'll go from there. All right, Mr. McFadden?
All right, sir.
Okay, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, you can leave the meeting then and email those documents to us this afternoon if you can.
I will do that as soon as possible, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. McFadden.
All righty. Have a good day.
You do the same, sir. Stay warm.
I try.
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, is this the courts?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, I didn't see you come on. Can you give me your name, please?
Sue Ellen Smith?
Sue Ellen Smith.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Ms. Smith, I'm the judge and I'm working from home, and our court administrator is going to pull up your case file so I know what we're talking about. So if you can just give us
Sure.
about,
Sir, I'll get that for you in a minute.
maybe give us 20 seconds, she can get that. She's the only one at the office. So
Thank you.
she's got people she's talking to on the phone, people she's trying to handle at the window, and also help with this docket. So,
No problem, sir.
Okay, so we have a show cause. Let's see. We never received her certified driving record or her certificate that was due on January 17th.
Yes, I called. I thought that my notice said the 31st of January. I'm sorry, I misread my notice.
okay. Well, even the 31st of January has passed us by. Have you taken the
Well,
class?
I'm taking the class now. I had called you guys on the 17th and read my notice that it was due. Now I'm past due. I understand that.
Okay, so when are you going to get those documents to us?
Okay, so as soon as I finish the class, I'm in the process of finishing the class now. I'll probably do it tonight or tomorrow.
We
that
need
we
your
can
certificate
put-
and your driving history turned
Yes,
in
I have
by,
all that.
ma'am.
Oh, go ahead, sir.
We need to have both things, both documents in hand by next Tuesday the 23rd.
Okay,
And if you don't get them in, then you're going to end up paying the balance of the fine. So.
by the 23rd. Mhm.
Yes, ma'am. And that means once you get them, you can email them to us. You may drive them over to the court. I don't know where you live, so.
I live in Live Oak. I can do that.
Okay. But everything needs to be turned in by the 23rd.
Yes, sir. I'll be glad to do that.
All right. Well, just make sure that gets done, and then we'll process the dismissal.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, Miss Smith. You stay safe, stay warm.
Is that anything else? Is there anything else I need to do?
No, ma'am. Just get those 2 documents. Now, let me just tell you that the offensive driving form is a 2-part form. Top part and the bottom part. You need to sign the court copy and send that to us.
I'll just bring all the paperwork I have in
Okay,
to the
that'll be
clerk
fine.
there. By the 23rd, is that what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
said?
Next week from today.
Well, thank you very much. That's all that you need from me then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will do that for you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. You have a good day. Stay
Thank
safe.
you. Mhm.
You warm.
You too, sir. Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye. Jason's iPhone. Hey, Jason, when you connect, I need to know your last name, please. Oh, I'm blowing my nose. Okay, Jason, can you hear me? Jason, can you hear me? Okay, Jason, can you hear me? Okay, I can't hear you. You're muted. Okay, Jason.
Hello?
Yeah, Jason, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me your last name, please?
Mendez, Mendez.
Okay, Mr. Mendez, I am also working from home, as you can probably see if you have audio.
Yes, yes.
Video.
Yeah, I saw the video.
And so my court administrator is at the court. She's going to pull your case file, so I know what we're talking about.
Okay.
So if you can hang on about 5 or 10 seconds, she can get give me the information I need.
Yes, sir. What is it?
Okay, this is a code violation. It's for having the basketball goal in the right of way.
Yes.
What is the recommended fine amount and court cost?
220. Okay, the fine is 144, court cost is 76.
Mr. Mendez, do you understand what the city is saying that you did?
Yes, sir.
To that offense, Mr. Mendez, there are 3 pleas you can enter: guilty, not guilty, and no contest. Do you understand what those 3 pleas mean?
Yes, sir.
Then to the offense being in violation of the city code with your basketball goal, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Has it been removed?
Not yet. Because of the conditions, right? But I can get it down. I'm just gonna take it to it.
Is it sunk in concrete or is it portable or what?
It's sunk in concrete. I'm thinking at this point I'm just gonna get the Sawzall and just cut it out.
Okay. When did you get the citation?
Gosh, I don't remember.
November.
I think in January. Yeah, November. I had a move of a change of address, so I didn't actually get it till sometime in December because I don't actually live there.
Okay.
At
Do you
the
have
premise.
a renter living there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you've known about it since January?
Mhm. Yeah. I mean, I can go take it out today.
Sir?
I can go take it out today. I don't have anything to do today.
Yeah, except freeze.
Freeze my hands off. I've been doing
Yes,
it all
sir.
week.
But it's your basketball goal, right? Did you put it in?
No, sir. No, it was there when I bought the property. It's just a pole. It's not a basketball goal. But I mean, it's there.
But it has a basketball backboard attached to it?
No, sir. No, there's nothing attached to it. It's just a post. Or like an iron post
Right.
or a metal post. Yeah. There's no actual goal or anything attached to it. It is just a post.
Okay, but was
I
there
don't.
a basketball goal attached back in November?
No, sir. No. There's never been anything attached to it. Like when I bought the property, there was nothing there. It was just the post. I've never taken anything down or altered it. It's just a post. It's not an actual basketball post or a basketball goal, I should say. It's just a post. That's what I mean, though. I can, like I said, I'll dig it up because it is concreted, but I think if I can get around it, I can dig it up and get it out of there. My renter, he's pretty lenient with that, with me doing the work. I could get it out though, but no, sir, it's not a goal post or a basketball post. It's just an iron or it's some type of metal post, that's for sure. But there's no basketball goal. There's nothing attached to it.
Okay, well, I'll make you a deal. You get it removed by February 23rd, which is a week from today. I'll reduce the fees from 200 to 96.
If I do it, do you need pictures or?
We'll send somebody from code enforcement out there to check it out.
Okay. And then can I just pay at the court when
Yes, sir.
everything thaws out.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you don't need to do
All
it
right, sir.
today because obviously we've only
Okay.
got 2 people at the court. So
Yeah, no, I wouldn't feel comfortable driving, even though I think I could. I don't feel
but
comfortable
no, I
driving right
don't. I
now.
don't want you out on the road. I don't.
No, sir. No, sir. I've been doing that all morning.
What were you going to reduce it to, sir?
96.
Okay. I'll get it removed ASAP, sir.
Okay, so long as it's removed, you can come in and let's say get it removed by the 23rd. Pay the 96 by the by the 26th.
Okay. I can do that.
All right, sir.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day.
You do the same, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Vicky, we're gonna need somebody from code enforcement to go by there.
Yes, sir. I've got a note on the folder.
Okay. Either Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay. Now who do we have? Okay, Miss Bond, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Is it Let Bond or is Miss Bond all right?
Yeah, either Bond is fine.
Well, you tell me what you want to be called.
Carolyn.
Okay, Carolyn. We'll go with Carolyn then.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, Miss Bond, as you can see, I'm at home also.
Yes, sir.
So my court clerk's who is at the office, is gonna tell me in about 10 seconds what we're dealing with, and then you and I'll visit.
Yes, sir.
Wow, you're giving me that much time, huh? It is a show cause hearing. She was supposed to return and make her sworn statement.
So what kind of case?
It is a speeding 68 and a 45.
And when was she placed on deferred?
That was June 11th of 2020.
All right, then Carolyn, can you raise your right hand for me, please? You solemnly swear to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Thank you.
Mm.
Okay, Carolyn, you were placed on deferred disposition back on June the 11th of 2020 for speeding. Since that date, have you been cited for any other violations anywhere in the whole wide world?
So, okay, I just want to make sure that when I came in and saw you, I had gotten a ticket and you told me not to get another ticket from then. On the 4th of July, I got a ticket. And so, and I told you then that I got a ticket. And so it extended my probation period. So I have not gotten another ticket. I haven't gotten anything. I've driven the speed limit under the speed limit since then.
Hey, Vicky, do you see my notes on that? Did I?
Yes, sir. She did come in on September 15th. She had received another citation in UC, and you extended her to January 19th.
Okay. And why didn't you show up on the 19th, Carolyn?
So I tried to call. I was at a deposition and I couldn't make it there in time. I was at a deposition at my job somebody's being sued. And I couldn't make it there in time, and I tried to call and I could not get through. And then, so I thought because, I hadn't been in trouble, and that was the reason why. And I thought that I would have an opportunity to call in the next day, but then the next week I got the letter in the mail saying, nope, I had to do this.
Okay, so what did you do with the UC ticket,
With the what?
with the Universal City ticket?
The one that I got on the 4th of July?
Yes, ma'am.
I paid it.
All right, but aside from that one, you hadn't had anything else? You've been behaving yourself?
I have. I've been very good. No speeding, driving under the speed limit, actually.
Okay, well, don't go too far under. The police will pull you over for that too.
Yeah, I don't want that. I don't want that.
All right, well, Carolyn, I'll go ahead and dismiss this case
Thank you. I appreciate it.
and just be
Ron,
careful.
you didn't call in again. You're not logged on twice, are you?
Me, yeah, I was on my phone and I'm logging out.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, because I was nervous. I was like, I don't know what's the right number. So that's why I had called. So yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Carolyn.
Thank you. I appreciate it so much. Have a great day. Stay warm.
Stay safe, stay warm.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Well, somebody's happy. Got anybody else right now?
Yeah, we have 2 more. I'm just trying to get this darn screen to print.
Don't cuss at the screen. Okay, good afternoon, sir. Can you hear me? Okay, you're muted, so I can't hear you.
Unmute. Okay.
There you go. Now I can hear you. Can you tell me your name, sir?
Christopher Damson.
Christopher Danson?
Yeah, DAMSCHEN.
Okay, Mr. Danson, as you can tell, looking at the video, I'm not in the office. I'm at my house, just like you are. But my court administrator's at the court, and she's going to tell me what we're dealing with, and then we'll chat for a few minutes.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. That was DAM?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we have disorderly conduct fighting.
Is this first appearance?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Danson, you've heard what the allegation is against you. Do you understand what they're saying you did?
Yes.
To that offense, sir, there are 3 pleas you can enter: guilty, not guilty, and no contest. Do you understand what those 3 pleas mean?
Yes. Not guilty.
Okay. On your not guilty plea, if it has to go to trial, do you want a trial with a judge or a jury?
Jury.
Ms. Danson, do we have your email address?
I do not believe so.
Okay. What you're going to need to do is look at the piece of paper that we sent you that has the login information.
Okay.
You have that handy somewhere?
I do not. It would probably take me some time to find it. I had to call in last week to get the login info for the Zoom call because I couldn't find the paper that was sent.
Okay. You have a piece of paper and pen?
I got a piece of paper. Let me get a pen real quick. I'll set you down.
Vicky, go ahead and give him when he comes back, give him the email address.
Are you
Okay.
ready, sir?
Yes. Sir.
It is municipal_court@liveoaktx.net.
municipal_court@liveoaktx.net.
That's correct. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
what you need to do, Ms. Danson, is send us an email so that we have your email address. And then
Okay.
we will email you a copy of a pretrial order so that you and the prosecutor can discuss pretrial matters. We'll also email you a copy of the written complaint, which is the document that is filed actually charging you with the offense. And that complaint is generated from the citation, which you were probably given at the time of the incident.
Yes, sir.
So, and then y'all will talk about 6 or 7 matters that need to be discussed prior to the case being placed on the actual jury docket and going to trial. So if you can send us that email pretty quick, all you need to say is, this is Christopher Danson, and here's my email information. If you want to give us your home address too, that's fine. And a phone number, that's fine. I just don't want you to broadcast it on this live YouTube broadcast, because I don't think you want somebody in France or Lithuania getting your email information.
Oh, they already have it, sir.
Oh, they do? Okay. Okay. You're a covert operative. Is that what you're telling me?
No, my identity's been stolen. Somebody opened an irrigation business in California.
All right, Ms. Danson, if you'll get that to us as soon as you can, then we'll get you a pretrial order out as soon as we can. Okay. You have a good day.
Over right now. You too.
Okay, who's on the line? Phone number ending in 339.
Yes, sir. I'm right here.
Yes. Who am I speaking with, please?
Thomas Flores III.
Thomas Flores III.
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Flores, I am working from home, so my court administrator is going to pull your case file so I'll know what we need to talk about. So if you can just give her a few minutes or a few seconds, she'll pull it up.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what we're dealing with.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir, we have a public intoxication.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Flores, do you understand what the charge is?
Yes, public intoxication.
Okay. To that offense, Mr. Flores, there are 3 pleas you can enter: guilty, not guilty, and no contest. Do you understand what those 3 pleas mean?
No contest. I don't understand what that one is.
Okay, no contest means I'm not going to tell you I did it, but I'm not going to tell you I didn't do it.
Okay.
So to the offense of public intoxication, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
So if I do plead not guilty, then there's going to be a whole court trial for all this, correct?
Well, perhaps. It depends on how the case progresses after you enter that plea. It'll be set on a pretrial docket, at which time you will visit with the prosecutor to discuss pretrial matters and also a possible disposition of the case without having to go to trial. You're the decision maker in this whole process, Mr. Flores. So
Yes, the only thing is I just wanted to be done with all of this today. I was hoping maybe we could come to some sort of agreement to where, this won't affect my job and we can just get it dismissed. And I was willing to do whatever I had to do or pay whatever I had to just to get this dismissed.
Well, it's not going to just get dismissed.
I just don't want.
regardless of what happens, it's not going to just get dismissed today. If it gets dismissed at all, it's going to be, you'll have to be on a period of what we call deferred disposition. I can let you talk to the prosecutor, but I still need a plea from you of guilty, not guilty, or no contest.
Okay, well, not guilty.
Okay. But we need to, okay, that's going to require another little step because we have to do a pretrial hearing. And at that time, you can talk to the prosecutor and she can discuss possible alternatives with you to dispose of the case.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if you are not able to resolve it with her, do you want to have a trial with a judge or a jury?
Well, that's the thing. I didn't want to go through all of that. I'm having a lot of setbacks right now, and this weather didn't really help anything. And I just want to be done with this as soon as possible. But I don't know if are you the judge in this matter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I mean, the whole public intoxication.
Okay.
I was taken from my apartment home.
Well, hold
So
on, Ms.
I just don't understand how.
Ms. Flores, hold on a second. When you plead not guilty,
Okay.
That means we have to set it for some sort of hearing. And that means that
Okay.
if the case goes to trial, then I have to have both parties present, whoever the complainant is. If it's a peace officer or a neighbor or somebody, because I can't just listen to your side and then without listening to the other side. Just like if I didn't listen to your side and only listen to the other side, well, that wouldn't be fair to you. But the prosecutor can discuss the case with you and visit with you about possible alternatives for disposing of the case.
Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that, and hopefully it gets resolved.
Okay, but if y'all are not able to resolve it, do you want to have a trial with a judge or a jury?
With a judge.
Okay. And do we have your email address, Mr. Flores?
Do you have one on file? I can confirm it for you. If not, I'll give it to you.
I don't know. Vicki, what do we have? Do we have one for Mr. Flores?
No, sir. We never got the remote hearing paperwork back with all that for him to fill out that information.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Flores, do you
Okay,
have,
I can go ahead and.
no, don't give it to me over the phone. Do you have a piece of paper that we sent you that had the login information for today?
Yes, I have that.
Okay, if you look about 2/3 of the way down that page, there's a email address. It starts out municipal_court. Okay, I need for you to email us just send us an email so that we will have your email. Just say, this is Thomas Flores, I talked to the judge on such and such a date. Here's my email address. And then we will email you we will then email you a pretrial order together with a copy of the complaint, which is the document that charges you with the offense.
Okay.
And then we'll go from there.
Okay. So you need me to send you that right now?
Yes, sir. If you can, send it as soon as, not right. If you can't do it right this minute, don't worry about it. Just sometime later today.
Okay. And then once I send that, I'll receive instructions for the next steps?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. Very good, Mr. Flores. So you take care, stay warm, stay safe.
Okay. Thank you very much. So we're done for today, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you all. God bless.
Thank you, sir. Stay warm. Hello, who's on the phone, please?
Hi, this is Lance Turnbow. I've got one client. Her name's Alina Howell.
Okay, Ms. Turnbow. What's her name? I'm sorry.
First name is Alina, and the last name is Howell, Howell.
And what is Ms. Howell charged with?
It's a possession of paraphernalia, I believe. And we were basically what was going on. She had a felony out of the same incident.
Okay, well,
over in district court.
hold on. You called in to talk to the prosecutor, so let me let you talk to the prosecutor.
Okay.
So, Cynthia Trevino, and you and Ms. Trevino can visit. I'm sure if there's another offense arising out of the same transaction, y'all should be able to work something out. So, if you just hang tight, you're gonna be put in a breakout room, or you'll put yourself in a breakout room once you see the prompt. And you can
Okay. Sounds
visit
good.
with Ms. Trevino. Yes, sir.
Okay, nobody in the waiting room.
That was quite a few this afternoon for some.
Well, we had 31 actually log in, but probably about 27 actually stay in.
One, two. So far 15 this afternoon.